Have yourself a merry little New Year. One thing with this girl, I can get out of any tight spot.
Yeah.
Any.
I must say.
When I ring up this car, no one's testing me, honey. What is you talking about, girl? I'm starving. I thought it was my bottle of
Let me go to Lincoln's, please.
You're going to Lincoln's first?
Oh, man. One
Go
bit.
on back for your phone.
Oh, yeah. Let me go back. You make it,
And
please.
your card.
Right, oh, Dada. I'm not going for no card. Might just afford to go for the phone if I can find it. No, where in the house it is.
Hey, me Julsz. Hey. Y'all soon mark me in this. Y'all soon mark me in this. So, have yourself a merry little New Year. May your heart be glad. Yes, it's 9 minutes past 10.
But
Do
we,
you not know time?
the time we came out here and everything, it's 10 o'clock.
Yes, mum.
Yeah, but you say wanting to leave your house 10 o'clock. I thought it was like 11, 12 o'clock.
That's why it's not good to assume, is it?
Happy people, how are you? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Bringing you lots of cheers.
You wanna go Lincoln's?
Yep.
I'm going for their guts. Because you gonna be what's it called? Eating your porridge and the only reason I'm going to Lincoln's, and if you're from North London you know where Lincoln's is, it's one of the best Jamaican bakery. It's not a restaurant, it's a bakery.
What is a pastel?
It's bakery. Basically. Yeah.
So it's a pastel.
It's a bakery. Don't bite your tongue. It's a bakery. The only reason why I'm really going to Lincoln's is because they do this ackee patty. Luscious.
I want two
Luscious.
and one porridge. One large porridge. That's what I want.
Luscious, let me tell you. And I want some of that. So that's why I'm personally going. Mum's going to try and order the whole shop. I don't want no cakes. It seems like every time I order a cake,
want no cakes.
Every time I order a cake, I don't end up eating it. So it's like pointless anyway. So literally, I might just get two.
More than one.
I might
get more than one for it.
I might just get two patty and that's it. That's it. A cheese and beef patty and an ackee patty, and that's me. I'm good to go, love. That's all I really want.
I can't wait to get one big porridge.
So after we go Lincoln's, where we going? West Green Road.
West Green Road.
Right.
West Green Road,
and then Wood Green.
Wood Green, and we're home.
I want to be back in the house before 1 o'clock.
Yes,
Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
I really do. I don't want to be on the road for the whole day.
No, ma'am.
I've got this thing now that I don't want to be on the road from sunrise to sunset. Like,
who does that though?
No, sometimes we be on the road for such a long time, man. Be honest.
Who does that?
Alright guys, it's now 12 minutes past 10. I will let you know what time we get in today.
That's like when we're going like Walthamstow, Wood Green.
It doesn't matter where we're going, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I mean.
Sometimes we're on the road for so many hours. Really hungry.
She's really hungry.
I should have really got up and made some eggs and something. Or
I like my hat.
Something.
Do you want the history about this hat? Yeah. So this hat, I was going to New York. What year was it?
I don't know.
What year was it?
2019.
Yeah. 2019. That time I had my channel and was on both my channel, Julsz channel, all that. We used to have people like we would chat up with boy, and they was telling me, oh, make sure you dress warm. You have to have this, you have to have that. And oh my God, I started thinking, oh my God. So I went out, I bought this hat, and I bought a pair of gloves, and I bought a lot of truck suits, both top and bottom, yeah? Well, the suit is top and bottom. Anyways, went to New York, a well-dressed, dress warm. And I went to New York. Listen to me. The people that was telling me about buy this, buy that, dress this, dress that, they didn't have a clue, they didn't know what they were saying one bit. Because I was in the airport waiting to be picked up. That's, you know what, let me go outside so it's easier when my brother reach. I've never experienced anything. Living in London, I've never experienced anything like that. The cold that hit me through this hat, the gloves and the paddock clothes. It was like it was going through the bone, through my bone, in my back. Listen, that was not. Listen, these people didn't even start to tell me. Listen. Oh my God. Listen. And in England, this is alright. But in New York, them gloves was like rubbish. Everything was like, oh. And the thing about it is that they say is that in New York, it's either hot or cold. It's not in between. So it's not like England where you know, okay, you're gonna get spring. It's gonna be in between winter and summer. Then you're gonna get autumn, which is again in between summer and winter. New York is totally different. None of that, because I've been to New York in the summer as well, and trust me, I'd rather go in the winter than the summer. That kind of heat, no human being should have to. I was walking like from here to not even 5 feet, and believe me to God, no human being should have to live in that kind of heat. I'd rather to go there in the cold, because I love the cold, to be honest with you. Because in me and Julsz, we went there, yeah, and we just went into a shopping center. We just literally went in there, had something a macadis in it, and came out in it.
Yeah.
And trust me, the whole place was white. We left it alright, no snow, nothing. By the time we came out, everywhere was white, and the snow was almost to past our ankles. Yeah. It was white. So I'd rather go there in the winter, but in the summer, no sun, or not even Jamaica, not that kind of heat. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice to go places, but in the summer and the winter to get the different feels. Yeah, but you know I love New York, but I didn't get to. Yeah, right. I went to because I was there in what, August or whatever, and I did go to Manhattan. I was going to say I didn't get to go to my favorite Manhattan. I did go to Manhattan, but my cousin that I was there with, because we went to our aunt's funeral, she wanted to shop Macy's from upstairs downstairs. No, Macy's got a lot of floors. Listen, that time my friend over here, Dacia, his mom, was going to give me some food because she run a restaurant and you know food is nice. I can't remember the name of the restaurant, so I would tell you so you can go there and buy as well. But one day I'll do it on my channel. And listen, I left from Manhattan on my own and for myself at Jamaica Street. One of them street, yeah, Jamaica Street I think is. Took the train on my own, everything on my own, everything. Only time I miss up, I didn't say anything to anybody, is when I was coming back. I took the train the wrong side, so I was going the opposite direction to where I was meant to go. I reroute, yes, yeah. But yeah, I love my New York. I love my New York. New York loves me. But I think things should be like 50 pence. Which pence? 50 cents. One. I have to try and think to get the money right. $1. Things expensive. Even in the 99p shop. 99-cent shop. Oh, not for sweet conversion. Yeah, things not so cheap.
The road is so
It used to be when we went there, Used to be 99. Now it's $1 something for items. Yeah.
Oh, around here.
Backside. Like. No, you can't go up the top. And one was right there at the front, you know.
Really?
One was right at the front. Have to try and get apart people. Yeah, and then we can turn. Wow.
Sorry.
My part was in America and Jamaica. I'm just joking, man. Don't take me serious.
Right, guys, let's go get some food.
Yes, we're taking it with us. Yes.
Right.
Come on.
Guys, we went to Lincoln's and they are sold absolutely out.
At this time morning.
And it is just $10.25. The only thing they had was callaloo patty. The patties that no one really eats, really.
And you will see in the clips the amount of boxes of
delivery.
Oh my god.
So now we're off to West Green Road just to grab a few bits and bobs. That was crazy. Oh, because you wouldn't want your soup to throw away. Your mum, this is mummy's mutton soup. She's not showing you guys because mummy have to eat in the morning.
I was going to show you people she too much.
It was
my business.
Whatever.
Lord, man, the soup today now, Jesus. Don't make you wake me up, Lord. Don't make it wake me up.
Well, let me get out of this tight spot before you open it then.
Yes, ma'am.
One thing with this girl, I can get out of any tight spot. Yeah. Any.
I must say.
When I ring up this car, no one's testing me, honey. You know, like some people be like, I can't turn. Yes, you can.
Alright, slow down. Oh, hey, your back foot, yo.
It's the potholes, you know.
It's your back foot, yo. Alright, just pause, man.
Oh.
This girl, let's sting with her, you know, man. Oh Jesus, don't keep the white man lock it down so.
It's very hot, I can see the steam coming out of it.
Ooh, piece of corn in there, yes. Drive me, all the one drive now. Oi, look at
if you get messed up,
don't look lean at the camera.
Don't blame me.
You hear that? You hear her?
I'm trying to go as slow as I possibly can. I'm just saying. And you know England full of humps. They could call us the camel country because the amount of humps we have on our roads. Is it nice?
Big time. So I no camera country anymore, hump country.
Hump country. The amount of humps.
And you never had it up. Come from the pot. Wait the next time.
The humps are absolutely crazy. So we're just gonna go West Green Road for this too.
So early everything finished, eh?
That's good business.
What business for them but bad business for me? And you?
No, bad business for your belly.
No, for our bellies.
No, for your belly. Don't mess up, madam, you know? Don't mess up, madam. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, our car is called Madam. Yes. A beautiful car is called Madam. Oh man, drink out a portion of the liquid, isn't it?
Oh Jesus, help me. No man, stop it.
Drink out a portion of the liquid, love. Ooh. You see, England road is no matter how slow
Why? Because you don't know what the red part was, darling.
I'm not even.
It was to cover your brakes.
I'm not even looking at you right now, Prestige. I'm going the back way to Tottenham, you know. I'm not even looking at you with your bright self.
What? No,
why are we? But no, we're strong, Jesus. You drink like them proper Jamaicans.
Would you never want some? Pumpkins in there, chocha is in there,
We don't share.
coon is in there, carrots in there, Where's Miss Kelly? That was a piece of pumpkin. We have pumpkin now. We go up eating these things. Grandparents used to farm. Carrot.
One absolute
It's like a piece of
donkey.
potato. Where's that piece of string now? Jesus.
I should have turned you lots around so you could have seen the view. We're going over this nice little bridge right now.
No, okay, no, listen.
Oh, Prestige, not today, not today, not today, love.
So we care back here and tell them some see piece of hair in it.
You'd have to walk to carry it back. I'm not going back around there.
It's like a piece of something. Some bit oily. Because it's mutton soup. I don't know about mutton. They're not sparing for the meat though. There's a lot of meat in here, you know. Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Anybody who knows
Oh.
knows that I go in the wrong lane. But
Yeah.
I love my porridge and I love my soup.
sorry guys, I didn't know this was the wrong lane. Oh, this.
Damn, why is something named celery? It's really good for us. Man. I mean, I know we over
I
time.
don't know if it's gonna let me through.
No, look at you.
No, he's not. He's being an idiot. Okay. So why did it say? This road is
You
so
never have to
confusing.
bother them, but look.
No, because it's stupid. They kind of like coming to certain places, you know, because you don't be knowing the deal and it's just annoying. Anyway.
I'm sorry, this was a bit warmer.
Anywho, we got there in the end, didn't we? 240.
No, it's not there.
Mommy, don't eat with a mouthful, man. Gosh.
She asked me if I want to warm up, you know. Because really and truly it's not hot.
But you don't even like hot food, anyways.
But more it's hot and then we cool it down. Okay.
Oh, Prestige. Make up your mind, girl. The trials are cold. One day breathe on. Enjoying that, ain't ya?
Soup and no one can put into there.
Cornmeal pudding.
I was back to the original we use my wife's sugar. Remember when we did some pretty oil?
Why? Look at Pet's chin. But hey, we get no, Jason. I don't think Jason got her chin, but not as prominent as mine. Boy, you must have hated them two people.
Them blood strong than mine.
Your blood's very weak.
I'm more positive.
Your gene is very weak, I must say.
to place it.
I went to obviously I showed you guys a Turkish shop and I devoured my lamajun. I was meant to show you on camera but I couldn't because I was that hungry. But let me tell you, if you like vegetables and you like a bit of meat and you like a bit of bread, then you need to get lamajun. Don't mind my, look how my hand them dry. Put that, Jesus, dry hand. I wanted lamajun and I also got a bag of wings because good girl have to eat. Yes. So we're on our way home now. Let me throw this outside because I just wanted to show you guys that I had devoured my lamajun.
Little bug.
Mom's the biggest little bug that I know, yeah? Let me tell y'all.
Yeah, what is it?
I said when I get home I will eat them, but if you want to eat them, guys, I don't understand. Nowadays mom don't listen. She's not understanding.
I'm too hot.
Oh hell no. You got in it now?
So me got eat your people. Whoa, one big piece in there.
You can smell how that smells, people. It stinks. Right, let's go home. Lead the way, Father God. Lead the. Oh. Let's go. Let's go home. We don't know how we're getting the bag into the house because we have got a lot of bags.
And yeah.
And Toaster's going barbers tonight, so.
And yeah, what?
Huh?
And the bags are?
Heavy. May God help me with this. Coming around this corner a bit. I can never really get this corner to correct, but anyway. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Love your life, sir, please. You're not meant to go that way. I'm gonna go the correct way.
Well, not coming to go on for you.
I'm a very law-abiding person. I don't know if it's because I studied law in university, but literally I love to follow the rules. If I break the rules, it's really not like me. Excuse you? If it's, mom be telling me go this way, go that way, go to the girlfriend, don't do that. But yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I have tried today, but today was very hectic as well. The roads were busy. It was a lot. It was a lot.
It's not gonna get home now and get what?
Yeah. I told you guys we wouldn't be making it home for 1 o'clock. It's 1:45 and we're just leaving Morrison, so we'll get home for 2 o'clock. So technically we're an hour behind schedule, which in essence is not the worst, is it? Come, when you're staring and come here. In essence, it's not the worst, but
so busy. That going to people coming to people waiting for you to move.
If we didn't go to Lincoln's this morning, it would have been better. But Miss Prestige and her long belly.
Knock up my teeth,
Prestige and her long belly insisted. Let's go to Lincoln's. Oh, sorry, love. Let me just. But yeah, we're on our way home, guys. Thank you for being with us today. It was an absolute pleasure, and obviously you know that I'm Julsztymm, baby, and over here we have a good time all the time. You know that's Mama Jules, also known as Prestige J. You know she also has a channel, so please go ahead and subscribe to her channel. And also remember to subscribe, like, comment and share.
Prestige J.
Well, yeah, your channel was Prestige J.
Prestige, then J-A-I.
Whew, the girl is exhausted. I can't wait to get home and just wrap up in my bed. Mom going home right now to clean about 100 chicken.
Just here, take this.
People actually record how much chicken. Mommy, that's my 30 pack of chicken from Morrison. Hey, the woman. I was checking her. The woman that was checking her out, yeah. Oh, are you guys having a function? Because only. So me, Jules, remember I was telling you about Mum's large chicken collection? Here it is. So Mum's obviously sliced them in two, and when Tussie's home, he